Hey there everyone, Erron Spalsbury here at 3X Logic. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to utilize the VSMU utility that we have built into the client software as well as on the DVR itself. The VSMU actually stands for VIGIL Server Management Utility. Now I happen to be connected to this particular machine well over 1,000 miles away, and I can get directly into the settings of the DVR just as if I were sitting in the network closet with this machine directly in front of me. Now you will notice I've gone ahead, I've connected up to my server here. You don't have to have any live cameras on the screen. You just simply have to have a connection to it. And of course, the permissions to be able to access this. It is an admin level permission. I'm going to go ahead and right click on this particular server, come down here to server settings and click on that. When I do this, it's going to give me a quick loading screen here, and then it's going to open up our VIGIL Server Maintenance Utility. Now I do have the ability of bouncing around to any of my cameras that I have here. I could even come in and modify any of the camera names or any of the other settings that we have here on the system. Now, a couple of things just to kind of keep in mind. These changes will not take effect until you come down and hit either the apply button or the OK button. The apply button will actually apply the settings and leave the settings window open if you want to make additional changes, or if you hit the OK button, it will apply the settings and then close the VSMU utility. Now, you can make multiple changes across multiple cameras. You could come in here and change the titles on any of these cameras as you go through. You could change your camera control, video loss, any of the settings inside of here, but they won't take effect until you hit either the OK or apply button. Now, why in the world would you want to use this? Well, this makes it to where you don't have to roll a truck. You don't have to go sit in front of the machine in a cold networking closet. It just simply makes it to where you can manage your DVR from anywhere in the world through the VSMU utility. But guys, just a quick little tutorial on that one today. Just wanted to show you this. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course hit that bell button so that we can notify you when any new content is hitting YouTube. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.